Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a group. Ledgers are classified under groups. Default groups are present, and users can create their own groups as well. How to create a new group. To begin, head to Ledgers under the Masters tab. Click on Groups. Now, select New Group. Enter the necessary details, including group name and parent group. Now to save the group, click on Save Changes. Your group is now created. How to edit or delete a group. Now to edit the group, go to Ledgers. Click on Groups. Choose the group that you want to edit. Click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now, to delete the group, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.